Hey, I'm Ernest with UpFix. Please make sure to visit our website and join our UpFix community forums. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And today we're actually going to be going over some of the most popular questions we have. Another question that we got in was on our UpFix community forum by Casey. And the question was, I'm having odometer problems with my 2008 Toyota Matrix. My odometer doesn't light up at all. When I switch to my trip meter, it gets up to 0.9 miles, but then drops back to 0. Do you have any clue what's causing this, and can you fix it? So there's three clusters or three models of Toyota that have a programming issue, or let's say internal mileage storage issue. Select years of Toyota Camry, Toyota Matrix, and Prius, and I think Corolla, where they only go up to 299,999 miles. After that, the mileage stops registering. I guess apparently Toyota thought that nobody's going to drive that much or that long on a vehicle, so it just gets stuck on that 299,000 miles. The options that we offer for those select years, and you can visit on our website, upfix.com, and see which years those are it's an issue for. We can either reset it to lower mileage or reset it back to 0, but we can't make it go past that 299 barrier. That's just the way those clusters are designed. As far as, it sounds like to me like you already have a programming issue with your mileage that's causing your mileage not to show up at all. And your trip meter is, out of sync, and so it keeps resetting. So it may be, my question is, what kind of mileage do you have on there currently? Because if it is approaching the 299,000, you're probably experiencing that issue because of this very same defect, manufacturing defect from Toyota. Because again, Corolla, Prius, and Matrix have this problem. So a mileage programming service may resolve your issues. If you send it in and say, this is the problems that I have, and make sure that when you're checking out for a Toyota Matrix mileage correction service on our website, that you put in the description what exactly is going on, so that when we're doing the program, we can, power it up, do a pre-test, and confirm the issues that you're having. But yeah, Toyota, for some reason, they addressed that issue later on, but for select years, and I think the 2008 Toyota Matrix is affected by this issue where they simply stop working after 299,000 miles. That's pretty much it for today. Hopefully you guys learned something from this, and if you guys have any more questions, leave it in the comments below. Make sure to follow us. A lot of these questions were from our UpFix community forum, so follow us there, and if you guys like what you see, also follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. We'll see you next time.